It includes right from photonics, electromagnetics to control systems, computer engineering, and communications, and much more. So yeah, it's a broad field. People of multiple various interests can join that field, and there's a particular specialization that offers this networking aspect of the course. So I had a deep interest in pursuing that, and hence I chose ECE. The number of courses you take in those are the number of days you're actually busy in a week. So if you opt for 2 courses, you'll be going to the university for courses for just 2 days. But the academics is tough. It's really tough as compared to what we do back home. So the transition takes time. Initially, you spend a lot of time working on your assignments. You start from the day itself, the day you get an assignment. At U of T, there are 2 different options to complete the MEng program. You can either opt for the single year course or the 2-year extended full-time program. If you opt for the 2-year program, you have to complete 9 courses. That is half credit per course. So it's 4.5 credits over a period of 2 years, and you can take a maximum of 3 courses per semester and minimum of 1. So you can manage it at your own pace. Out of these, 6 must be technical, that's compulsory, and 5 must be from the department you are enrolled into. It's kind of you're picking courses every semester, and there's nothing called as selective. So you have to look what are the courses being offered and pick courses according to your own interest. That's how it works here. So if you act quickly, you'll be able to enroll into all the courses you wish for. But some courses in, for example, the most popular topic these days is machine learning. So some courses in computer engineering field pertaining to this domain have attract a lot of attention from people of different departments. So they tend to get filled quite fast. Within ECE, there are multiple specializations, so that is quite easily possible. You can switch from one specialization to the other, but there is a procedure that needs to be followed to do so. But switching departments, it's not possible. You cannot do that. If you are enrolled into the ECE program, you can take one course from other department, but you cannot switch into that particular department. An ideal course consists of 3 to 4 assignments, a midterm exam, a final project, and a final exam. So if your course has all these components, then it will be a bit tough to manage during that particular term. Putting in efforts and spending quality time behind any assignment is the key to get a good GPA. First of all, I'd suggest everyone to look at what courses they need to be enrolled in, and get plan out the your entire degree program. Plan out which courses you'll be taking in with what semester. So that kind of sets in a structured approach towards what you can expect every semester. So that's an important thing that needs to be undertaken. So if you talk about developing skill set from the home country itself, I'd suggest people should pursue some at least basic level courses on Python programming language, as it is required in almost every other field.